Do you know that just a 30-minute run can change your life? Running, it's not just an exercise, it's a lifestyle. In today's video, we will learn about the amazing benefits of running, which affect not only your body, but also your mind and heart. Number 1. Helpful in losing weight. If you want to lose weight, then running is the cheapest and most effective way. Running increases your body's metabolism and burns calories quickly. And the best part, you don't need a gym. Number 2. Keep the heart healthy. Running keeps your heartbeat under control and balances blood pressure. It reduces the risk of diseases like heart attack and stroke. It is. A little run every day can be a blessing for your heart. Number 3. Reduces mental stress. In the hustle and bustle of life, stress is common for everyone, but running improves your mood. Endorphins are released while running, which gives you a natural happy feeling. That is, running is equal to a natural antidepressant. Number 4. Sleep improves. If you can't sleep at night, make morning or evening running a habit. Running tires the body and calms the mind, which leads to deeper and better sleep. Number 5. Boosts confidence. When you run daily, a different level of energy and positivity comes within you. You start feeling proud of yourself, and this confidence reflects in every part of your life. Number 6. Helpful in increasing age. According to scientific research, people who do regular running tend to have a longer average lifespan. Running not only keeps diseases away, but also makes your life better and longer. So friends, now that you know so many benefits of running, what are you waiting for? Set your alarm for tomorrow morning, put on your shoes, and take the first step toward your health. Because those who run, win. If you liked this video, then do like, share, and subscribe. And tell us in the comments when you are going to start running.